Hello everyone. Today I'll be demystifying about the concept of the ultimate mentors. To start with, this is a concept where we have to grow in a collaborative manner, in a way that we all need to promote each other and our own selves in this group, by which uh, like our followers will increase, and as a page also and as individuals also. For example, like I am promoting my content on the page, mentioning, on the page of Tum, the ultimate mentors. So then, you know my followers are going to see that, and those people who are following that page and those who are members of that, their friends, followers, subscribers are also able to see that. So my reach is increasing, and our page reach is also increasing because I'm putting it on my page, on our Tum page, wherein all of us are there. Similarly, you doing your content is being seen by not just your friends, but also by our friends, our followers. So your reach is also increasing. As a page also we are increasing. And definitely when I am putting my content, somebody is putting their content, somebody else is putting their content, then each of our friend is also seeing that. So this is the concept by which we have to grow as a brand, as an established brand of elite people. Now when I say elite, it doesn't mean that people are only the best, or maybe only those who have achieved so much in life, but those people who have been struggling, who have, despite all odds, come out of it, and who have proved themselves, and who are on a journey of success, who are on a success spree, we can say. So all these people are by default mentors, and this is why we have named it as the ultimate mentors. Here I would like to mention few of our members who have been of immense value addition to our group, because of which we have reached, as of now, within no time, to a following list of around 3,000 people on social media, and we have got a good name. So, Mr. Sumit Kumar Tyagi is there, who is a very famous astrologer and numerologist of, and who is also an advocate also, and he, like very much famous in the Bollywood industry as well. Then we have squadron leader Tulika Rani ma'am, who is a very big motivation for all of us, and she is a very well known mountaineer and an ex Air Force officer, and she has always been supportive about the concept. Then we also have many other members. I mean, each of the members are amazing, like be it our astrologer and numerologist and tarot card reader, Miss Priyanka Tandon, or our brigadier Sushil Bhasin sir is there. Then we also have very famous people like Vamni Sethi ma'am, Iris Sarika Jain ma'am, who is a CA also. Then we have the very famous athlete Deepa Malik ma'am, Bhavna Tokekar ma'am, and then various defense officers, IAS officers, politicians, and all those people who are ready to serve the society, serve the nation selflessly. We are not charging anything for it. It is for a social cause, but we have to establish as a brand so that we can actually do what we are planning to do. And this collaborative model that we just talked about, which I just covered in the beginning, will definitely help us reach to that goal. Thank you.